If you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.